Hello viewers, welcome to our crash course again. Please join me as we take a look at some fundamental formatting we can do on the entries here on the spreadsheet using the font group of the home tab. Okay, so let's just say we select this sales record here. It's already in bold. We want to make remove the bold. Okay, there's it. Okay, we can just make it bold by clicking on the B here, or we can alternatively use Ctrl B to make it bold and to unbold it. Let's use Ctrl B. We've unbolded it. Okay, that's it. Another thing, let's try and make it italics. You can try and make it italics by clicking on the I here, or you can use the short key Ctrl I to make it italics and to undo that. Then if you want to underline this sales record, want to have it underlined, you click on the U here. Perfect, there is it. Another wonderful thing we may want to do is that we want to have a border around it. Remember, these lines you are seeing here won't appear when you are trying to print this out. It will appear blank because these are just grid lines. So we just want to put a border there, so I will make it very good and okay viewable. Then we just select all, or rather the areas we want to put the border on. Then click on the arrow here. Okay, menu pops out. Then we select which one do we want to do. We want to have a bottom border, top border, left border, right border. You can choose, but we want to put all borders. We want to give border to all of them. Select all borders. Let's see what we have. This is a perfect bordering. So once we print, you see that everything here we have borders around them, just the way it is on the screen. That's perfect. Another thing we may want to do is to change the font style. Let's just select all of them. So we want to change the font style. From the settings here, it is on Calibri by default. So let's just change it. Let's select let's select Algerian, or we can take Arial, whichever one we want to use. Let's take Algerian. Select Algerian. This is what we have. Very good. Then we can also decide to change the, let's select only the sales record. We can decide to change the font size. Click the arrow here, so you can select the size number. Let's take the number 18, or can take 16, whichever one I take. Let's use 16. Okay, this looks very good. I think it's good we also make this bold since they are headings. Can just do that by using the shortcut Ctrl B. Very good. Let's just align here. This is perfect. It's perfect. Okay, since we've changed the font size, next thing we may want to do, we can use this to change. These two are for increase and decreasing of font size. Let's say, for example, we select only this. When we click this, the font size increases. When we click smaller a, the font size decreases. So we can utilize that. It's very good. Then another we may want to do is to change the cell color, the color of the cell. Okay, so let's say I want to change this cell color. By default the cell color is white. Let's change it to orange. Okay, that's very good. That's very good and very nice. Another thing, we may want to change not only the cell color but also the text color. Let's change the text color. The text color by default is black. We can change it to white. Oh, sorry, I didn't select the sales record. Select the sales record, then change the text color to white. Look at what we have. Very good. We can start to do the same thing to all to make it look very good and very neat. Let's change this to ash. Okay. Okay, what we have here is very, very good. So this is how to do some basic formatting on the spreadsheets using the fonts group. Is a very fundamental formatting that every Excel user should know. Thank you very much guys for watching. I appreciate you.